Hello everyone, welcome back to my little jungle. Yes, we are here at my porch on my white table. And if you can see, we have here my Maxillaria Tenuifolia, also known as coconut orchids. And if you are not satisfied, I'm gonna show you the name of it. That's the name of it, Maxillaria Tenuifolia. It has a yellow flowers. So this is the Yamada version, and actually I am just going to transfer it in this pot because if you can see, it doesn't have much media right here. So I am just going to transfer it here and put a new media on top of it because I don't know, I don't want to mess with it because a few years ago I owned twice already of this variety of plant, and they always die on me. So this time I am actually thinking that I will do all I can, even though I always do all I can to make sure that this plant grow nice on me, but they still manage to die. So I don't know what's going on with the leaves because they're starting to dry. See, it's turning like that. And I don't know, but I've noticed that it's starting to shoot a new growth right here. Where is it? I think, oh, maybe that's not, but anyway, it's still growing. So I will make to repot it right here because this pot is too small for this one already. So without further ado, let's take it off right here. And I didn't know that I put clip on it. I forgot that I put clip. So this is how it looks now. Oh, I thought this is the new growth coming, but no, it's not. It's the old growth. Oops, you cannot see it right here. Yeah, me too, I cannot see. Okay, so but I think this is a new leaf from this one. So okay, last time I've shown you with the pot using this one, but I did not show you how I did that. So I've already get this much, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to divide it into two like so, and that's how I do it last time. I actually all the time every time I use these fibers, coconut fiber, this is how I always do it. So because I'm just gonna put it to prevent the plant from, I mean the medium to pulling up. Alright, okay, I think I'm just gonna do it this way. So that's how I just do it, and then spread a little bit like so. I'm still thinking if I'm going to use the, ooh, it has a big hole right there. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just going to get more here. Trim a little small amount here and use it. So that's how easy it is to trim this one because it's not so packed. But I'm going to do the same. That way it's not so thick. Alright. So it's closed now. Ta-da! Can you see it? So that's how easy it is. I'm just gonna put it set aside right there. And oh, here's the thing. Put more here. And then we are going to take this. That's from the old flower. Massage a little bit. See? See the roots there? I'm not sure if the roots are still viable, but I am just going. I can see roots that are just growing right there, right here. So I'm not going to disturb it. I'm just gonna put it right there and let it grow, you know. So I think I put too much. Maybe just a little bit. All right. So, and then put media all over it. So this is how I'm going to repot this. It's actually potting up because I'm using a more bigger pot. So I just wanted to put more right here. I love the smell of the flower of this one. Like I said, it smells like coconut. That's why they call it coconut orchid, because of that. Okay. And then I'm going to put some of my orchid food. This is a slow release fertilizer. I'm just going to put it right there so it would start to suck it and they grow nice. Just small amount, because even though it don't burn the plants, we don't want too much because it's gonna be useless if you put too much. Alright, so I think I am going to use this. So take it off here. Ouch, I don't have my flyer, but I can manage this. Yep, I am just watering my plants, and then I saw this, and so I thought it needs repot. So that's why I'm not ready for repotting session actually. So that's why I'm just gonna use this one. Anyway, it's so easy to make this as long as you have the materials. If you have the wire, well, I have wire. This is actually a aluminum wire. I use aluminum because that way it don't rust. Yeah. these don't rust, aluminum wires. Okay, so we managed to take that off. So I'm just going to do this way. Okay, let's put this here first. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I need this. Can you still see it? Ooh. Yeah, you can see it. I forgot what I'm gonna say. Oh, it's alright. I get sidetracked with the thing. Oh, I want it to be hanging. That's what I'm gonna say earlier. I want it to be hanging because you see I need to take that with this. That's why. Okay, let's put this first because it's getting so unruly. It's starting to make me crazy. I'm just kidding. I just don't want to break anything, you know, because I've been working so hard for this orchid and I don't want to mess it. I'm just so happy that it's working on me. I talked to her. I'll call her. I talked to her that I'll do anything just for her to grow nice on me. So that's why we have a good conversation, you know. Yep, of course, that's me. I talk with my plants and everything. So, alright. 2 more legs, honey. Okay, and we're good to go. You know, I talk with my plants because they need it. Like I need them too. You know, we both need each other. Okay, one more. Oh gosh, we are gonna be so successful. There you go, we got it. It's so hard to work with it without the flyers. Uh-oh, this is too close from each other. Okay, let's move this a little bit. Yep, it's hard to work with it without flyers, so yeah, I'm just eyeing it, how far it's from each other. Okay, so that's it. I made it. We made it. We are so cool, huh, Maxie? Yeah, I call her Maxie. That's her name, Maxie. Alright. Uh-oh. Alright. So, I am going to clip it again right here. Okay, let's get the clipper. Of course we are going to clip you right here, sweetie pie. And then the other ones should be here. Alright. Ta-da! Oh, and then put this back. Your name, of course. Put your name right there. It's not working on me. Okay, can you work now? Okay. So that's it. I am so happy I made it. It's so hard to use this this type of pot, but I think they're gonna do better here. So next time I'm gonna show you where I put them, and and how I water them. So we have these excess. I'm just gonna put it right here. That way we don't waste it, because it's kind of expensive too. Yep, it's expensive. Everything are expensive. So that's why I always try my best to save the things, because it's not good to waste resources. So we have that. We can use it with different plants later. And this one here can put right here, because that's still good media. And there you go, a pretty Maxillaria Tenuifolia. Now I hope you grow nice here, sweetie, because it's so cool and you're flowering. It smells so good. So that's all for today's repotting session, my dear friends. Thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you so much for your support all the time. I dearly appreciate you all, and I hope you don't get tired listening to me at the back of my camera. So anywho, that's all for today, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.